to show you how to make a kombucha fermented drink. Here is the black tea, brown sugar, unrefined. Our Scoby, our culture Scoby water. Scoby stands for a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, and filtered water. The equipment how to make the kombucha, the first thing is our cup. And the glass jar, cotton muslim sheet, and cotton ribbon. Pour the water into the pot. Open up the lid and let's waiting until the water boiling. Add the black tea leaf. When it's boiling, reduce the heat to simmering and continue simmering 12 more minutes. After it's simmering 12 minutes, strain the tea. Add the brown sugar. Stirring until the sugar dissolves well. When the sugar dissolves, add another half of filtered water. Mix together. Leave at the room temperature until the temperature decreases to 35 to 37 degrees. Pour the tea into the jar. The final step, we can add the Scoby culture in the tea and put around 200 ml of their own culture kombucha. Little stirring. Cover the jar with the cotton muslim sheet for protect the dust and the insect. Keep the jar in the room temperature around 7 days. You will get the ready to drink kombucha. The taste of the kombucha will slightly sour, a little bit flavor of vinegar flavor. After 7 days, you can remove the Scoby and strain it. Keep the kombucha in the chiller to prevent to continue fermentation, to prevent the lower acidity, and keep in the fridge for several times. You can enjoy the drink with the regular flavor of kombucha or adding any kind of fruit or vegetable, herbs or spice just for you.
My name is Noppapadol. I'm lecturer at Chiva-Som. Today I really appreciate to represent the special cocktail that we call strawberry kombucha mojito. I really make sure that all the ingredients is very easy to find in your kitchen. That I have today, almost all the ingredients I bring from our own Chiva-Som organic garden. That we have the lime, the unrefined brown sugar, organic strawberry, and this small jar we have the organic honey too. The peppermint leaf, and the most important ingredients is our homemade kombucha. And for refreshing the drinks, you can top up with the water soda or on your sparkling water that is your favorite one. I will show you how to make the strawberry kombucha mojito. For the first step, you can choose all the glass that your favorite one that you want to relax on your today. It's time to make the kombucha. In the amount of 1.5 ounce. The next one, unrefined brown sugar. You just put the list of brown sugar about 2.5 grams. Or for the easy one, you can top 2 teaspoons. And next one, lime juice. You just need for the refreshing your mocktails, just a quarter ounce. And next is the honey. Just one honey for make the mocktail more sweet, just half an ounce. And then you stir it together. For making sure that your honey is getting milk while you mix with hot water. And next one, our organic peppermint leaf. We just only need the peppermint leaf, about 8 to 10 leaves. And then you can slice until you get the aromatic of the peppermint leaf. I want to make this mocktail have more calories. I will add the fresh strawberry before that you just 1 to 2 dozen. For this mocktail, we have many benefits from the all ingredients, such as our organic leaf. You will get a content fat amount of nutrients, especially for vitamin A and antioxidants too. You can put the fresh strawberry whatever you want together. And then put it into the glass. And you stir again. You might think why I'm not model it together, because I just want to coloring this glass by the left of fresh strawberry. Ice. And the last step, just top with water soda or your first sparkling water. I will grind it with the peppermint leaf. That is our specialty mocktail, Scoby Kombucha Mojito. ขอบคุณค่ะ